Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to develop a value proposition model. This video is also available in Spanish. Alec Osterwilder was the person who created the value proposition model. He also created the model business canvas. He's an economist, he's a big reference in innovation and design thinking. He wrote a book called Designing the Value Proposition. It was published on 2008. It changed the way people create businesses. The book focused on development of products and services that improve the lives of the people. And this book is divided in three parts. The first part is the model business. The second one is the products and services. And the third part is how to create good ideas. This book made a big revolution in the way business are made because the main focus is to improve the life of the person. The second thing is that money is not the more important. The most important thing are the good ideas. It also makes the model that need to focus on real needs of the people. So if I'm gonna develop something with value proposition, it has to be fixing of making better the needs of real people. Okay, so the value proposition has a general objective, which is that products or services should be profitable and improve the life of the people. This is the value proposition. It has 6 parts. This is the way I do it. Like, people make the value proposition in different ways, but today I'm going to show you how I do it. The order is really important. This value proposition model is a cycle. Start with number 1 here, which is the spot of the pain, and then it finish here in number 6 with the relationship that you have with your customer. So the model has 2 main parts. The first part is product and service. Here you make the description of the characteristics that you want that your product or service has. And then you have customer. Here you think really well which are the benefits and which are the improvements that you are making in the people with your development. It's also really important to always think if the development that you are making it's worth doing, because nowadays we have a lot of rubbish in the world, a lot of products that are not meant to be, that are not necessary. So it's really important that you think that whatever you are doing, it has to be improving someone's life. So we start with the pains. The pains are really the problems that you are working with. um, it's really important that you make a good description of the whole situation that you are working with. It has to be really detailed, the description. Also, think that if whatever you are doing is worth doing it. I will say that a lot in this video because it's really important to create things that make the life of the people better. After that, you're going with the pain relievers. The pain relievers are the characteristics that will improve the current situation. So you have to be also very specific, but think how your business, your product, or your service will help to fix or make better the current situation that you are working with. After that, you are going with the products and service description. It's really important here to say, okay, my product will be called this way, it's an app, it's a festival, whatever you are going to make, and make the description very specific. Think of the experience that you want that your user or your customer has when they are interacting with your development. That is really important. Also, don't forget that you are working with a need of a specific situation. So it's very important that you always keep that in your mind. After that, you are going with the part of game creators. That's the part of the management. Okay, if I wanted to make this project, do I need strategic alliances? Do I need someone, a partner that can bring money or can bring anything that I need? Uh, Here, something is really important. Nobody does anything without expecting anything in return. So that part is really important because nowadays people think, oh yeah, because I'm such a good person, people will help with my business. Sorry to tell you this, but that almost never happen. So you have to be realistic with the situation and how are you going to make your product or your service really happen, and how are you gonna to construct those alliances, and how are you gonna make to get money to make it that happen. After that, we are going with the gains. The gains are the benefits that your customer has for buying your product, your service, or for participating in the development that you are making. That has to be tangible. It can be something that you cannot get. Always remember, am I improving the life of someone with this development? Why people are going to buy the things that I'm thinking, the things that I want to develop? After that, we have the customer job, which is the final part, and this is the part of communication. It means the relationship that you have with your customers, how they are going to know that whatever you are doing is working, what am I going to do so people know that my product exists, how I'm going to give in support. That part is really important and it will be a constant in all the development that you are making. So when we finish these 6 spots, the model will be done for that part. Remember, ask yourself, is it worth doing what I'm doing? Am I improving someone's life with this development? And if the answers to those questions were yes, you can after that develop a model business canvas. We will have a video to show you how to do that in the future, but it will be very specific as well. Ask yourself if you see doing this activity for a long period of time. This could be the project of your life. Sometimes happen that at the beginning you were very happy and you have a lot of energy, but after you start develop all of these questions and asking yourself a lot of these questions, after that you are not convinced. That's okay. You can make a new one or maybe do something different because you realize this is not what you want to do. So that's cool. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your development of your business model. Subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We are the #1 channel in YouTube of design thinking. So I hope this information helped you a lot. Thank you so much. And every Thursday we will have videos in English, and on Monday our content will be in Spanish. Thank you so much and see you next time.